Hello, my friend, and welcome back. With this video, we're going to talk about the word steal and the many ways that we use in Italian to translate the word steal. Why is that? Because as always or almost always happens, we are facing one of those scenarios in which one word in English is translated with multiple different options in Italian. So let me share the slides with you and let's do some nice work. So in English, you have multiple ways to translate steal, or better yet, to use steal. The first one is the so-called time frame scenario, time frame connotation. For instance, I'm still living in Madrid, which in Italian is translated with ancora. So still, when it comes to still with this time connotation, is translated with ancora. When it comes to the second connotation that I label as anyway, the connotation of anyway or anyways, we translate it with comunque. And let me give you an example. I'm sick, but I still want to go to the cinema. In this case, still can be rephrased with anyway or anyways. I'm sick, but I want to go to the cinema anyway. Okay, so in this case, we're going to translate it with comunque. Last but not least, another super common usage of the word still in English is the one about not moving. For instance, Jurassic Park 1993, the characters say, stay still, don't move. So the Tyrannosaurus Rex won't kill you, basically. And still, therefore, in this connotation is an adjective, and the adjective is fermo in Italian. Standard masculine, ferma, ferme, fermi, you know the drill. Okay? So ancora, comunque, and fermo. Just to give you the translations of the sentences that we just seen, I'm still living in Madrid. It's going to be sto ancora vivendo a Madrid. This is present continuous. If you don't remember it, go back and watch the video about present continuous. When we are dealing with compound verbs, in this case, stare plus ing, we tend to throw this extra word in the middle. Just like in English, right? You have to be, I am living. In the middle, you throw still. In Italian, similar. Sto vivendo and ancora in the middle. Sto ancora vivendo a Madrid. I'm sick, but I still want to go to the cinema. Sono malato o malata, depends on your gender. Sono malato, ma voglio comunque andare al cinema. Even here, we have a compound structure because there is want to go, and we throw comunque in the middle between volere and the target verb andare. This is something that we already talked about, but it's always helpful to see again these things. Not moving, imperative addressing you, single person. Stay still, stai fermo, or stai ferma, depends on the gender of the person we are talking to. Okay, now it's your turn. He still has to order. Oh no, still has to order, so slow, and I'm hungry, I want to eat, so I'm complaining. To order, as you probably know already, is ordinare. I'm going to give you 20 seconds for this one. Done? Awesome. Translation should be deve ancora ordinare. Compound verbs have to do something, dovere, target verb ordinare, we throw ancora in the middle. He's not big, but still very strong. Strong is forte, big, you should know that it's grande. And that's it. 25 seconds for this one, just because I feel generous today. Done? Awesome. Translation should be non è grande, ma comunque molto forte. Let's take a look at this one. In Jurassic Park, they say that if you stay still, the T-Rex will not see you. And let's say that the last you, this you here, is you plural, you guys. Okay, so in Jurassic Park, they say, the people say, or better yet, the characters say that if you stay still, the T-Rex will not see you. And also the first one is, of course, you guys. So if you guys stay still, the T-Rex will not see you guys. 35 seconds for this one. Done? Awesome. Translation should be In Jurassic Park dicono che se rimanete fermi, there is a mistake from my part, I'm gonna fix it in a second. Jurassic Park dicono che se rimanete fermi, il T-Rex non vi vedrà. Let me fix this on the fly. Che se rimanete fermi, or ferme, if it's a totally female group, in Jurassic Park dicono che se rimanete fermi o ferme, il T-Rex non vi vedrà. Potentially, you can also say il T-Rex. I really hope you enjoyed that clip, and if you want to watch the full-length video, you can find it in my media library, which is part of my mentoring program. And if you're new to this channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button. That being said, in the description box down below, you can find a few useful links to my mentoring program, to some free material, and so on. Have an amazing day, and I will see you very, very soon.